Welcome back to the Snowy Fish Show. Today isn't the greatest day because Kyle found something in the fridge that made him really, really hot. So here he is.
What animal am I?
A dog. A dog.
No, of course I'm a lion.
No, that's a dog.
No! I'm a lion.
Lions
Hear
sing
my
out.
mighty roar.
Lions go.
Your mom goes.
Yeah, so you can tell he's really high right now. So let's calm him down with his favorite music.
It's the sun.
Okay, maybe not. Don't touch it, Kyle. It's not good for you.
No, no.
No, no.
Yeah, yeah.
No, no.
Yeah, yeah.
No, no. No, no. No, 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 no.
You're making me so
No, no,
sad.
no.
You're making me so sad.
No, no.
I did no.
I don't know.
God, the people. Did you fart?
I
Did
no,
you
no.
fart?
I no, no, no.
I think it was me.
I think it was you.
Find out. I can't breathe.
Or was it her? Kyle, was it her?
What the her? What the her? It was the one in her. It was the her.
Dun, dun, dun.
I found our culprit.
Dun, dun, dun.
Right here.
Nuh-uh, that's just a blanket. The real
High five! Oh wait, there's nobody there. Okay.
fail.
I'm seeing things. Oh my god, run. Run! It's a mouth! It's coming in.
Don't worry, Kyle, it's just a train.
I like trains.
I think that
I got it!
he's gonna kill himself soon.
No!
Smooch the bear. I think that's who he's trying to be. But nobody knows. Hey Kyle, your girlfriend died. Kyle, your girlfriend died.
Free?
She died. She fell and died.
Where'd she fall at?
Her house.
Her house?
Yeah, her house.
I'm gonna run to her house. I can't walk, but I can run. Free! I'm coming! Still the door's there.
It died, I think.
I'm gonna go this
No,
way.
it didn't.